Okay guys, so this is all my mom buy me. Pang-hairbrush ni pang-buhok. Okay, my mom bought this. My mom did just makeup for 5 minutes. I will do it again. Okay guys, so this is the one. This is the one I do like that. Okay, pang sunscreen ni. At pang buhok po ni. Napod ni ang $10 lipstick. Wow. Yung order ni pagnaka ni 1,000 lipstick. Guys, udi ni kanay nagkakuda sulod. Ayun na hikap. This is the eyelashes. This is the I don't know. Oh, so cute, so cool. It's so blacky, right? Guys, okay. Okay, daghan na yun eh. Kaya palit, ano yung ako, mama. Pang hairbrush po ni eh. Og 20,000 pesos ni ang hairbrush. Ang coin, mama, kilimot, ani. Okay, 22.5 ang kautaan eh. Look good. Naman ang stick dari. Nautaan eh. Ang daghan ayun niyang colors ani-ani. Oh? Daghan colors ag napod ninindot. Okay, I got this to beauties in the face. And here we go. Nice and refreshing, guys. Bye-bye! Okay guys, humana tata nag-makeup man ni.